Hi, welcome to Mechanic. Today we'll be changing the windshield wipers on a Tesla Model 3. So to do this, you have to come into the car and open the service settings, and there's a wiper service mode. You click that and that'll pop the wipers up so that you can actually change the wipers. Just press this clip here and pull it out. I recommend to get a microfiber towel. You don't need to, but it's good to put it underneath so that when this comes down on the windshield you don't scratch it. So you just press this clip and pull the wiper, pull it out, and then so that's why you put the microfiber down so that doesn't scratch on the windshield. And you just take the new one and just slide it in like that, and there you go. That's how you change the windshield wiper on a Tesla Model 3. So after you put the new windshield wipers on, you have to come back in here and hit the wiper service mode off, and that will drop the windshield wipers back into their normal place.